Me would I cheat all day? You think getting cheated on is nice? No. Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Yes guys, so it's morning time and I'm going to do a breakfast mukbang, right? So I have some tea here and this is blackberry tea. If you want me to do a tea video, you can comment down below for that because I have a lot of different fruity teas. Well, that's not the video today. We have some egg, cheese, plantain, lettuce, bread, and inside the bread we have cream cheese and some ketchup. Okay, so we're going to make our sandwich. Pause. So guys, I don't know how I want to make food sandwich. I gotta put the lettuce first on the bread. One side of bread. Right, that's so. I love lettuce. You know that lettuce? I love lettuce. I'm gonna add tomato to this, but I feel like it would have been too much. Then I'm going to add my plantain. I use my hand on my food. Don't come for me. Right? Then I'm going to add my egg on top of the plantain. And I'm going to add my cheese on top of that. People, one time it'll kill me, I gotta eat cheese. Like, I don't know. Feel some neighbors can cut down on one cheese factory. I gotta add the remaining lettuce on top of that. Ooh, can't wait for the game. The bread lightly toast. So there we have it. Looking like a snack. So let's taste it. So I'm gonna have to teach you to make sandwich. Alright, so we're going to do a would you rather. So I have my little book here, I'm gonna have everything in it. The first one is, while watching, comment which you would rather to do. Alright? The first one is, would you rather be heartbroken or heartless? I'll give you some time to think while I take a bite out of my sandwich. Well, I know that someone already know my answer. But let's just tell you, I'd rather to be heartbroken. No, wrong. I'd rather to be heartless. Heartless all day. Every day. You think heartbreak nice? Heartbreak don't nice. Heartbreak don't nice at all. That's with the breaking of the heart. And so, the other one is, would you rather to be cheated on or be the cheater? Answer the question. Definitely be the cheater. I know someone will knock me, but me, this guy right there, so, all things Anna, me would have cheat all day. You think getting cheated on is nice? No. Can't nice. The other one is, would you rather be loving and always give all the love you have to the wrong person and not getting any in return, or be loveless? Just answer the question. Love less every day. Love less every. And people may have one heart, but my motto is it better it be you than me. Good. The fourth one is, would you rather be kind-hearted and never get rich, or mean and rich? I feel so, would have be mean and rich because you can grow, forgive little, but to everybody, not to everyone. To some people you are going to be mean. You can't just give to everybody, and everybody are going to see you as this kind person. Some people are already see you mean. So you better maybe mean and rich. That me feel. The other one is, do you rather, drum roll, be respected or loved? I would definitely rather to be respected. You don't have to love me, but you're gonna respect the hell out of me, okay? Do you rather be friendly and always getting used, or have little to no friend? Me not have a problem if I have no friend. You see this girl, me full of personality, me full of moods, me full of everything. Me and my own friend. I want a boy there. He's my best friend. Me want a friend. Me want a friend. Well, I have a couple of friends, but I don't know what I say. Would you rather would you rather to marry for love, or never climb the success ladder, or married for opportunity and live comfortable in all areas? Me married, but I would rather to be married for the opportunity and live comfortable in all areas. We can grow to love each other. Love is something that you can grow to do, but look here, me crave success. Me not tell no lie. So if me feel like I'm never married to you and me never ever gonna be successful, bye bye. Alright? Bye bye. Number 8 is, would you rather be fruitful and reproduce rapidly but have no help from your significant other, but your children will know their dad, or pay to get pregnant or pay someone to get pregnant, but your children will never ever meet their mother or father? Me? But you pick me then good? Me I go with the paid one. Me nah take up no extra baggage for myself. Where careless boy I go? If you don't plan to take care of your picnic them, and you just live my life, I breed me like me a rabbit. So for what reason? And you not do nothing, might as well you go on. But I'm going to pay to have my picnic, I know say me good and me can take care of my youth by myself. But me not make no picnic feel like them father do when them father gonna do. No. No. Would you rather be loved for assumptions or be hated for the truth? I would rather be hated for the truth. I don't know about you. Answer a question. I don't care if you hate me, once me I tell the truth, or once I truth you hate me for, fine by me. I know you love me because you think somebody this, or you love me because you think somebody that. Because when you find out the truth and find out say I'm not that, you'll be disappointed. And I'll no longer be loved. So, like, I would be partly loved now. You hate me from the beginning. You hate me from the beginning. One last one, people, one last one. I'm not gonna hit my phone. So, the last one is drum roll. Do you rather, or would you rather, do YouTube for a long time and going viral long after doing it, or never do YouTube and never go viral. Said right? Yeah, never go viral. Let me just sip on this tea. Me, I'd rather do YouTube and go viral long after, because you know what? Me a band purpose. Me band to popular. Me this a girl that's a band to popular. So going viral long after is still going viral more than never going viral, never doing YouTube. Me feel say if you're not the YouTube part you like missing. Don't quote me on that, but that's just my feeling. I hope this breakfast mukbang was pleasing to your soul. And remember to eat right. Remember to eat right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. People. Watch the ads. Watch the ads. Until next time, it's your girl, Anna. Bye.